Hi everyone, I'm Jalene Andrews. Dry Eye Treatment Center of Connecticut at Higgins Brothers Vision Care provides a variety of services to help patients find relief. Here to tell us more is Dr. Donald Higgins. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so talk about some of the services you offer at your practice.
Yeah, it'd be easier to talk about the services we don't have at our office. There is no treatment that we don't have. We have intense pulse light therapy, my favorite, radio frequency. When you're in this space, you become kind of a tech nerd. We just purchased another instrument called OptiLift, which works with deep muscle stimulation, radio frequency to tighten up the blink. We will do meibomian gland probing when necessary. We create our own platelet-rich plasma, which is, we basically have a nurse who comes in, does blood draws. We'll spin it down and give you back your own platelets. And it's for a subset of patients who have a lot of corneal involvement. They may be host versus graft disease, Sjogren's syndrome patients, people who have a very serious corneal disease. We see everybody, and I'm fond of saying we see the worst of the worst cases. We're referral based, so when other eye doctors kind of run out of drops that they can ask you to take, they'll say, go see Higgins and he'll figure it out for you. So yeah. we specialize in all of that.
Yeah, it's important to mention that not every practice is going to offer the services you have, and you have people traveling from all over the country because of that.
We do, and part of the problem is the equipment is very expensive. And then I'm kind of nerdy. I spend weekends, I study, I talk to other doctors, I visit other practices. As I said to you previously, there's probably a dozen practices in the country that take it to my level. And I still visit some of these practices. I want to see how they're doing it. I'm always looking for little ways we can tweak this and bring a better outcome to our patients.
Yeah, I'd imagine it's always changing. New technologies are emerging, but you're really trying to get the latest and greatest.
Yes, yeah, and I sit around on weekends and study or talk to other doctors. So it is an absolute passion for me. After 43 years, instead of retiring, I've never been busier in my life, and it's just such a privilege and pleasure to be able to help these people.
All right, great. Where can people go to learn more?
Yeah, so you can look us up on our website. It's drdhiggins.com. We're in Plainville, and it's 860-793-9613.
All right, thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
All right, we'll of course have that information on our website. For CT Buzz, I'm Jalene Andrews.